Hello everyone and welcome to episode 6 of Pisaytube, a super simple guide to mastering the art of ����𝐻𝐒. For this episode, we will be talking about the calendar feature and notifications of �ㄎ𝐻𝐒. Let's get started. To go to the calendar of �㄄𝐻𝐒, click this menu button here with 3 lines, then click the calendar. This will lead you to the calendar. All the events and assessments for the whole month will be shown here. You can click the event to show more details, and you can go to the class with that activity by clicking this. You can also go directly to the assessment by clicking the Go to Activity button. If you like to export your calendar, you must click the Export Calendar button. You can choose which events to export and the time period of the calendar. To export this month's events, choose All Events, then this month. Then click Export and a file containing the events will be downloaded. You can also click the Get Calendar URL button. You can copy the URL and search it, and voila! The calendar will also be exported. To link your events in �㄄𝐻𝐒, you can use the Get Calendar URL button and copy the URL. Then open your Google Calendar and click the main menu on the upper left corner of the site. On the Other Calendars section, click the plus button to add other calendars, then choose from the URL. Paste the URL from the �㄄𝐻𝐒, then click the Add Calendar button. After which, it will say Calendar Added, and you can go back to check out the events added. Next on, let's go back to the �㄄𝐻𝐒. You can check the upcoming events by clicking the Calendar section here. You can also check out the events on each month from this drop-down button here. Click the Month option. Choose the Day option to check today's events. You can also add a new event by clicking the New Event button on the upper right. You can fill out the form needed, then click Save, and the event will be added. To check out or edit your calendar preferences in �㄄𝐻𝐒, click the drop-down button with your icon on the upper right corner of �㄄𝐻𝐒. Click Preferences, then choose Calendar Preferences. In here, you can edit your calendar according to your preference, then save changes after you edit. That's it for this episode. We hope you learned more about the calendar feature of �㄄𝐻𝐒. We will be back for the next episode about the teacher feedback and grades. For comments, questions, or clarifications, feel free to leave comments down below and we will reply to you as soon as possible. Don't forget to like and subscribe and stay tuned for our next video. Thank you for watching!